For the past 2 months, we had been exploring a side of Canada that we knew very little about. Somewhere that was originally supposed to be a precursor to the west, a warm-up act before the mountains. How wrong we were. From the rugged coastline of Nova Scotia, the hidden gems of New Brunswick, the vast forests of Quebec and Ontario, and then into the endless openness of the prairies across Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta. Some of our favourite moments of the journey had come from places we'd barely heard mentioned back home. But more than anything, it was the people that stayed with us. The conversations struck up at the side of the road, the help that was offered without asking, and the sense that everywhere we went, we were welcome. Yet throughout it all, one destination was still lingering in the back of our minds. The Rockies.
We finally made it to the Rockies, and whilst we were looking forward to slowing down for a while, there was one thing we wanted to do first: get out and explore. After all, we'd spent the last 2 months driving towards these mountains, so it was finally time to see what they had to offer.
So you join us in a convoy with 2 Nissans. We are doing a bit of off-roading. We've just aired our tyres down. We've been given a radio as well by a lovely chap called Frank, who's taking us to see some cool spots. So it's going to be a good test for the Defender, I reckon.
Wish Moose luck.
You don't want to change the throttle input. Just keep the throttle input the same as you're coming up. A little bit more throttle if you can. Yeah, come on, you go. Yeah, steady like that. Go, driver a little bit, driver. Yeah, right there. Nice, come on. Yeah, nice and steady. You got it. Just, you're going to want to go around that rock, so in a minute here, you're going to go passenger a little bit. Passenger. Yeah, that's it. Hold it. Driver. Hold the throttle steady. Come on. Yeah!
Easy peasy.
Hey, welcome. That's very good. Having fun? Absolutely. So much fun. We didn't get this in the UK.
No, that's what I was like. Do it here while you can.
Yeah, I could fair enough. Well, I'm just surprised because I saw this go up and I was like, yes, that is kind of gnarly. And then I was like, there's no way this is going to
Yeah, this is nothing.
Wow.
Well done. After an amazing couple of days out on the trails and with new friends made, it was time for a rest. So we parked up in the middle of the mountains, switched everything off, and just took a moment to take it all in. After 2 months on the road, this was what we had been working towards without really realising it. The chance to stop moving, even if only for a while. But stopping didn't mean standing still. We didn't need to drive any further to experience it. So we set off on foot, following the trails that cut through the landscape, moving through places that felt completely untouched. No plan, just the mountains, and the time to properly experience them. This time, there was no rush to move on, just time to stay. And with the Rockies stretching out in every direction, there is still so much left to explore.